We are about to start, and this is how we're going to start. I know some of us, because of our busy schedules, we hardly have time at home, to fellowship, to talk, to jog.
That's going to be all this fun on us.
So, pick our Bibles up. The next scripture verse is going to be now 1 verse 4.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Okay, so right now we are on time.
Oh, yeah. I'm not going to use it.
Yes, that's from the phone. That is in what I said to the kingdom of this yes.
Okay, now ladies and gentlemen,
because we respect Jesus. We do it because we say Jesus is our leader. Some are going to raise presents. You may know the handwriting of your wife or your husband. You may know the tone of your husband or wife. That when they are reading that paper, you may say, "This is for my wife." And then when you go home, and then you say, "It is you who sold me out," and it comes. Because people are going to critique, are going to contribute, are going to criticize, are going to say yes or no. You need to accept what others are give you advice. You say this is how we do it. Because you have to submit to one another. All right. So we also going to be using resources from our church that the Archbishop is going to wrote. Then we guide and then we talk. We are going to be introducing more subjects for discussion. So we are here as facilitators, we are not speakers, we are facilitating discussions. Now, the beauty of it is that all of us, we have knowledge. We have something we know. It might not be organized in the proper way. So these discussions are there to assess what you know, what I know, and validate that which is right, and discredit which is that which is not right, and then rearrange that knowledge. So that when you come out of this camp, you know, supposed to be camp away, we are not going to walk, but the lead time to prepare was not that enough. But next time, we are going to be doing better. Okay, go ahead. This is the book written by several words. Hearing and listening. Hearing and listening is a problem in the home. Hearing and listening is a problem in the home.
Welcome back to another day in the vlog, and happy Valentine's Day. Let's make some breakfast. Hello guys, let's go for another session of the Valentine's seminar from Couples in Church. So this Valentine's weekend was a moment to rekindle love and have some fun with your partner. As the world is getting busier, this is essential.
Amen. Amen. Since we are involved in Shane, we married for almost 6 years now. We are 26. It's actually 6 years in July. Yes, we have a daughter. 2024, we are from we are married for 33 years.
Wow.
God blessed us with three pairs of twins. We have got 6 kids.
Yo.
And now we are going and two grandchildren.
Wow. Glory.
We played a lot of games which demanded teamwork, and that's a very important thing in marriage. If you cannot work together with your partner, you're destined for failure. The other key teaching at this boot camp was on self-development together as a couple. Our pastor was teaching on how important it is, especially for husbands, to support the dreams of their wives, because the money which comes from two sources, it's better, and that's the best way you can show your partner that you love them. So he was encouraging that do something, develop yourselves whilst you are young. Build houses, have trust funds for your children. For when you get older, you won't be a burden to your children as well. We also talked about the models of saving. How best can you save as a couple?
Husband render to his wife the affection due her, and likewise also the wife to her husband. The wife does not have authority over her own body, but the husband does. And likewise the husband does not have authority over his own body, but the wife does. Do not deprive one another, except with consent for a time, that you may give yourselves to fasting and prayer, and come together again, so that Satan does not tempt you because of your lack of self-control.
Our pastors went on to share about healthy living, that you should eat healthy foods, exercise, and get enough sleep. This also includes your functionality, either you're a male or you're a female.
Hello guys, welcome back to another session in the vlog. So tonight we're having a Valentine's dinner at church. We're going to have some games and a lot of teachings. So come and enjoy the night with us. This is the setup that we have. I can't wait for tonight. It's going to be a blast. It's important that you have this kind of sections to revive your marriage if you are married. So enjoy, guys. See you tomorrow on our last day, which is going to be our Sunday service. Bye.
So when they fight, it's not a permanent fight, it's just temporary. That's why even a criminal, when they die, all related to the gun and come and bury the person. That's a proof that they are together. So don't join them. When the wife says, my brother is in bed, men, don't join your wife. That's the law you must keep. Alright. The other teaching Mama Coach gives is that
And there you have it. What a powerful and life-changing Valentine's weekend boot camp it has been. We have been reminded that love is not just a feeling. Love is a decision. Love is commitment. And above all, love is a gift from God. As we leave this place, we carry the lessons we've learned into our homes, our marriages, our relationships, and even into our daily walk with Christ. Let us continue to build relationships that honor God, relationships rooted in prayer, respect, forgiveness, patience, and understanding. Remember, true love is not found in the world. True love is found in Jesus Christ. Thank you for being part of this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed. From us, we say happy Valentine's weekend, and may God's love fill our hearts today and always. And God bless you so much. And to those who have not yet found love, may the purest form of love find you. Thank you.
Hello guys, I hope you're good.
Hello guys, I'm checking this card.
Hi guys, I hope you're good. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you've watched to the end, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please guys, don't skip the ads. This is the end of our Valentine's weekend. Thank you so much for the love. Bye.